And hello there, Gundam fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars unboxings. And continuing with the unboxing of the very big boxes, yes, what I have here is another release, previous release. We have the HG Mobile Suit Gundam GQuuuuuux Challia Rick Dom. GQuuuuuux version, and as you can see in the box art, yes, that's Challia's Rick Dome. It has, a different color scheme from the previous Rick Dome of Rick and with Gaia and Ortega's. And of course, we see there in the background we had the red Gundam. And to your information, yes, more of the bits, which is actually released as a P Bandai. Anyways, so that's what you can see in the box art. And again, since this is a big box or it is Charles Rick Dome, the actions that you can do with it, and of course there are some gimmicks off to the side. Here it is, front and back, Charles Rick Dome, and information about the show. And now let's take a look what's inside the box. And since this is a big box, so I'm handing off the items off screen. So we have one bag with 1, 2, 3 screws and multicolored screws. Some of this would be very familiar but only recolored. Another bag with 2 screws and a sticker sheet here. One more bag. And this time the saber parts is silver, not even clear. And yeah, some familiar parts here again, but different color. Same with this one here. And of course, you have here the instruction manual. Yes, there it is, Challia and the Rick Dome. So let's take a look individually at each of the screws. Right, first up is the A sprue, which is a very familiar sprue from, Gaia and Ortega's Rick Dome here. So that's the A sprue. Again, with the B sprue, same sprue, but different colors. It goes without saying that the C1 is the same thing, same sprue but different colors. Also for the C2 here, the D1 is that exact thing, but instead of purple, it's colored blue. Same with the D2 here for the third leg or slash thruster. E1 keeps the same color of being silver, same as E2 here. F1 keeps the same color, but also from the previous HG. F2, we have the G here, and the Saber FX comes in silver instead of green, and it's not even transparent. Also has the wire here, and of course the sticker sheet. Yes, basically this is just a recolor of Gaia and Ortega's Rick Dome. But unlike the two, Challia here has access to both weapons, which is the saber and of course the bazooka. Typically it's just the same suit, just recolored and in different colors, just for it to be a commander type color or whatever. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leave a like, view our video, share the videos, commenting, sharing, and until next time, see you and thank you.